If you've been following along the stories lately, we've been talking about brewing medicinal mushrooms, and the same principles apply to any kind of tough woody substances like roots or barks. And the main thing you want to do is what's called a decoction, which is a light simmer, 10-15 minutes, pour that off, and then you can rebrew that 2-3 times. And a question that came through was, well, how many times can you rebrew that? And it's just the same with a loose leaf tea. Even if you're doing a steep or an infusion, I'll always do at least 2. And very oftentimes, especially if it's a mushroom, root, bark, anything like that, very oftentimes I'll even do a 3rd or even a 4th. Now, the main thing when you're making tea is to go by color and taste. Each successive batch that you make, I'll use slightly less water and I'll let it go a little bit longer. Now, if you do a really, really strong brew the first time, maybe the second time, that might be it and it's done, right? Or maybe you do less strong and you're able to stretch it out, 3 times or 4 times. So really it is an intuitive thing, using your senses of sight, looking at the color, how dark is it, the smell, how aromatic is it, and then of course the taste, how strong is it. That'll be your best indication of how many more times you can brew it. Yeah, hope that helps. Keep the questions coming.